Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Wrike and Microsoft Teams for approval workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Wrike and Microsoft Teams for approval workflows, start by logging into your Wrike account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to set up approval workflows. Click on the Integrations tab located in the left-hand menu. In the Integrations section, find and select Microsoft Teams. Click on the Add to Wrike button to initiate the integration process. You will be prompted to log into your Microsoft Teams account. Follow the prompts to authorize Wrike to access your Microsoft Teams. Once authorization is complete, return to your Wrike dashboard. Now, create a new project or select an existing project that requires approval workflows. In the project view, click on the Requests button at the top right. Select Create. Fill out the request form with necessary details such as the title and description. Designate the team members who will be involved in the approval process. Set the deadline for when approvals should be completed. Next, navigate to your approval settings by clicking on the Settings icon. In the Approval settings, select Add Approval to customize your workflow. You can add multiple approval steps if needed, defining who needs to approve each stage. Once your approval workflow is set up, enable real-time notifications through Microsoft Teams. To do this, go to the Integration settings and toggle on Notifications for approvals. This ensures that team members are alerted in Microsoft Teams when their approval is needed. To test the workflow, submit a sample request and monitor the notifications in Teams. Confirm that all team members receive alerts and can approve requests seamlessly. Finally, review the setup to ensure everything aligns with your team's needs. With these steps completed, Wrike and Microsoft Teams will be effectively integrated for your approval workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.